Piper, can you snore for Mommy? Can you show Mama snoring? Shh. You do it. Shh. Good snoring. Piper, what does a cow say? What does a rooster say? What does a sheep say? What does a crow say? Caw-caw, very good. What does a donkey say? Hee-haw. What does a goose say? Honk, very good. What does a cat say? What does a dog say? What does a lion say? Roar, very good. What does a goat say? Ma, ma. What does a bee say? Bzz, very good. What does Piper say? Hi! You're so smart. Did you see the whales today? Yeah? You did? Oh, you saw a toucan today? Yeah. Piper, can you sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star for Mommy?
How are you?